Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a clan on the Blockman Go game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Blockman Go game on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your social accounts or by using your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can explore the various different games that you can play. Now, if you wish to join any clan, just tap on the chat icon at the bottom section, which will take you into the chats page. From here, tap on the clan option at the top, and you will now be able to explore the various different clans that you can join. Tap on any clan that you are interested in, and you will see the requirements of joining the clan. If you are eligible, then you can tap on the join clan button, and this will now send a request to join this clan right away. If the approval is not required, then the request will be automatically accepted. Otherwise, an administrator will have to accept your request. And now you have successfully become a member of this clan. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join any clan on the Blockman Go game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.